Hello and welcome to Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I have another great product from Neewer. It's a magnetic selfie monitor screen. It can be used to frame yourself in selfies with the back camera of your phone, or even help creators frame their shots. I'm going to quickly unbox it, and we will try it out, and I will go over some of the features. Oh, okay, that's a ring for like if you need to put it on a phone without a magnetic attachment. Has a little sticky 3M there. And yeah, this just clips to the back of a phone. Here is a cord and a shutter remote for recording and taking pictures, and user manual. I won't need that since I have iPhones with the magnetic. Okay, here is my iPhone 15 Pro. So yeah, it just sticks there. And then you can shoot your video and see how it looks. That is so cool. There's power button, USB-C for microphone, which is really nice. I can use a microphone pass-through. Brightness. You got the host, which goes right into the iPhone. And then also power pass-through, so it actually charges as you're using it. Very nice. And yeah, it sticks on there well. The M4C is compatible with iPhone 15 through 17 Pro Max. It's not compatible with the iPhone Air as it doesn't have a DisplayPort out USB-C. It's also compatible with Android phones with DisplayPort protocol. And it does not work with Samsung DeX, which I believe is their desktop type interface. The M4C has a 4-inch display size, and it's 800 by 400 resolution, 400 nits of brightness. It attaches to the back of the phone via magnet, as you saw, and supports 4K video recording at 120 frames per second. It also has 3 USB-C ports, as I showed you, for screen mirroring, microphone connection, and power delivery. The M4C also comes with a handy shutter button remote for snapping photos or recording from afar. And the phone is up here above me most of the time, so those are handy to start and stop recording. I can just go start, stop. Sometimes if I don't edit it out, you might hear me click something. But yeah, I can also frame my shot up here if I want. Right now I use an iPad mini for that, but this on the go is going to be awesome. Okay, so here it is all set up. As you can see, the USB-C cable is very flexible. And I go to video. And this button isn't only on and off, it's also, you can rotate the display. And this one's for zooming in and out. It's a magnifying glass, and then this adjusts brightness. This is ideal for YouTube and TikTok recordings, selfies, vlogging, and streaming. And I'm very excited about this accessory. I have many Neewer products, and they just keep coming up with great products. This is a definite must-have for creators utilizing the phone's back camera for front-facing type shots. Great framing. I'd like to thank Neewer for sending me the M4C selfie monitor. It will be a great addition to my workflow from now on. This video will also be edited with my MacBook Neo, part of my week-long Neo challenge. So far, it's working great, and I love the MacBook Neo. And I'd also like to thank my viewers and subscribers, and if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. If you want to know when my next video is out, please click the bell button. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.